Hello everyone, welcome to the next lesson in Excel Mastery course. In this lesson, we will learn how to use slicer in pivot table. You can find slicer whenever you will be selecting a pivot, you will find an icon called slicer on tab. So let us make a pivot table. First of all, let me press Control key to select the entire data. Let's say, let me select the data from here, Control Shift and Control Shift and down arrow key to select the entire data. Now go to Insert tab. Click pivot table. Once you click on pivot table, specify your table names and choose where you want pivot table report to be placed. Let me check new worksheet and press OK button. Now see my pivot table has been created. Now let me drag brand column and months in the row, and let me drag my sales amount in the now let me modify my change font to Rockwell, and let me put comma in my numeric data, my revenue, and let me expand my columns. So I'm done with generating my data. Now how to insert? So let's say I'm in my pivot table. Once I click on pivot table, you will see on the ribbon two tabs have been activated. One is option tab, another is design tab. So under design tab, you can do different sort of designs for pivot table. You can format the pivot table and so on. You can show row headers. Okay, if you don't want, you can check it. If you want banded rows, then you can click on banded rows. If you want banded columns, you can check on banded columns. Even you can uncheck the banded rows, and you can review your report in much interesting manner. Okay? So let me uncheck everything. Now let us go to option tab. Under option tab, click on insert slicer. Under sort filter, click on insert slicer. Once you click on insert slicer, another dialog box will come which will ask you where you want to insert the slicer for which of these items. If these items are same as the item which we did now pivot table. So here I can add fiscal wise, brand wise, week wise, month wise, region wise, state wise, and so on. So let me add my, let's say I want to analyze my brands. So let me add the slicer brand wise. Once I click on brand and press OK button, you will see the for brand has been added. The slicer do. It will further filter the data. For example, if I click on Adidas, you will see only report of Adidas. The report has been filtered. Other remaining brand will be hidden, while only the report of Adidas will be shown for the particular month. If I Allen solely, the sales revenue eventually will be selected. Select months, then the data of months will be selected, and so on for Reebok and Zara. This slicer helped me to further filter the data. Or let's say if I had generated the report region wise, let me uncheck the month and let me take the region. So under this, if I check the Adidas, this will help me to generate the report for Adidas only, and the region wise report, and so on. I can check for Beyond Humans, I can check it for Reebok, and so on. So this is how we add slicer in pivot table. But if you let's say I want to show the report region wise, but I want this only for the month of January. You can see these are the sales revenue of Adidas for in a year. For central region, cumulative figure for from this, but I want only for the month of okay. For central region, how I will do? Insert answer. Click on pivot, click on options tab, click slicer. You will see the same tab will appear. Right? This time check on month. Once you check on month and press OK button, you will see another slicer tab will appear. You can expand this particular thing, or it is not necessary, or you can expand. Now here you can see in one selected because our data is the entire year. Let's say I want the date revenue for these regions in the month of January only. So that if once I click on Jan, see the only sales revenue of Jan will appear, while the cumulative for the entire year will disappear. If I want the month February, this will be the data. Let's say I want for Reebok for the month February, and so on. And if I want for Zara, and let's say let me want it for the month of May. So this is my sales revenue of Zara for the month of May. So this is how I can filter my sales revenue in pivot table using. So here I have used two slides to control my pivot table. But even I can control one slicer and two pivot tables. Let us so let us delete the slicer for the month, okay, and let only brand remain over here. Let me insert one more pivot table in this particular sheet. Let me go to data. I have my original data. Click on insert. Click on pivot table. Under pivot table, click on pivot table again, and click on table head and choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Under this existing location will be sheet 5. Sheet 5 beneath this table. If I click here button, you will see it as appeared. Place and column, and let's say drag month in rows. Now here also we will drag sales values. Again, let me filter my data, which is my points. Tab, change it to Rockwell, and insert comma for data and decimal points. Now we are done with adding these pivot tables. This is pivot table number 1. This is pivot table number 2. Here, if I this is my slicer for this particular pivot. If I add as data of Adidas is accurate. If I select Allen Solly, the data of Allen Solly is being updated. But what if also I want the data of Allen Solly not only revised, but also if I select Allen Solly, I also want data updated here in this month. How can I do this? Let's say we need to connect this particular slicer with this pivot table. So how to do this? You can write on the you can write it and in the slicer and click on pivot table connections. Okay. Once you click on the pivot table connections by right clicking in this